Good evening, friends and everyone over here. So we actually come here to felicitate and basically in recognition of a very good personality who has won the first place all India. Okay, and in the powerlifting, we all know that powerlifting is banned today in India, and it takes a lot of. There are no grants available. There is a lot of hard work is involved. People have to spend all their money, especially a person like Maynard who has achieved something for our village. So we just thought in appreciation manner that we would, say thank you to you. Okay, from all of us who have come from Raya. There is Oliver here, Flaviano, sorry. Okay, so thank you. It's really a pleasure, and obviously the people who are here behind you, helping your friends, the owner of the place of the gym. Okay, so congrats and thank you.
Okay. Hi, my name is Maynard. I'm a national level powerlifter. So I have recently won a gold medal in deadlifts at the recently held nationals that were held in Bangalore. Yeah. So here goes my story. I have started powerlifting around 3 years ago. A really close friend of mine, Darren Coutinho, also my coach, has got me into this beautiful sport. But this sport, hasn't got a lot of government approvals as of now. The sport has been banned to some extent, wherein we don't get a lot of government support. So it is actually really difficult for us to train when it comes to training our diet, and it actually gets a lot of hectic. So right now I'm standing in one of Goa's best powerlifting gyms. This is Made Fitness. Okay, this gym has been put together by powerlifters for powerlifters. Okay, and this place is basically heaven for powerlifters. So I would do tell everyone around here, Varka, to do come visit this place. If you all want to learn powerlifting, you all can come here. You all can check this place out and have a look, and we would obviously teach you all about what powerlifting is, how powerlifting is. So at our age, at our time, we didn't have these facilities. Now we do have it. Yeah, somewhat we don't have the government support as of now, but surely that is also going to come sooner or later. Yeah.
In a brief way, can you tell me why you just said that sport has been banned at the moment?
So the sport has been banned because of a lot of doping that has been happening into this sport. A lot of doping takes place. So that is the main reason the sport has been banned. But there are a lot of natural lifters out there who actually put in the hard work to take the name of the country and the state ahead. We have few of those, but there are few athletes and few lifters who actually go take the shortcut that actually has put the name of India very low in this field of the sport. So that is the reason the sport has been banned.
In what way would you ask any favors from the government? How to support you all? Not favors as such. What support you would exactly need, and how would the government be of help to you all?
So apparently this sport has been banned because of the few individuals, which has resulted in an overall ban of this sport. So I would ask the government to rectify this at a point, because not everyone is into something like doping and stuff. Also it's just because of few individuals we don't get the chance, we don't get the opportunities. There are many sports like football and cricket and all of these sports that are heavily sponsored, wherein this sport also could be sponsored.
As a youngster, now you have taken up the sport and you are also parting your knowledge as well as coaching these youngsters. What you would like to say to the youngsters, how they would pick up this sport or come and do this sport in a proper way?
Okay, as to telling the youngsters, I would tell them to actually stay away from all sorts of drugs and to keep the sport as clean as possible, because there is a long way ahead to go, and we are just the beginning of this. We are keeping it clean, and I hope the youngsters ahead also keep it clean.
Thank you, all the best. Yeah, this is one of the co-owner of the gym. A few words from you.
So we have Maynard here. I'm Darren Calvin Coutinho. and we have Maynard over here. So basically, I met Maynard in college, and I was into the sport for quite some time by that time, approximately like less than a year. But what happened was Maynard was into college, so I saw Maynard back then, and Maynard was quite curious about the sport. He wanted to know what I do and all of these things. So I introduced him to it, and slowly as we went ahead with things, I started coaching him, and it has been a great pleasure to coach such an amazing athlete. And he has done a lot, and he has excelled tremendously, and he has taken his name, Goa's name, as well as our name way high. And I would like to congratulate him on all his achievements, and we'll all grow together, stay together. Okay? Yeah.